Introducing Bella 1.01. Basically, this EA is Bella 1.00 plus ATR stops. I have already implemented the ATR stops in this EA, so we are just going to analyze the code. To better understand this code modification, I suggest we start from the end in mind. We know that the stop loss level has changed. Alright, so we go to the portion where we send in the order together with the stop loss level. That would be our position open. Alright, this is for long trades. So this is where we fire our order. This is our stop loss level. So we have to modify this variable. Look for it. It's here. So our level, our stop loss level, which is the price level, equals to the current ask minus our stop loss in pips. So we have to modify this one. Look for it. Okay, it is in this so-called special area, technical requirements. We will talk about this again in future lectures, but for now, I'm just going to briefly let you know what this is about. So essentially, when you send in orders, your stop loss can't be too small, otherwise your broker will reject your order. So the broker will have a minimum stop loss level you need to meet, and that is this value. It can be obtained through this value. So once I know the minimum, I add the spread to give it some buffer. It will return me stop level pips, and stop level will be the minimum stop loss level I have to meet. Therefore, this is my ATR stop. My ATR stop, if it's less than the minimum level, then this variable, which was what we were looking for, will be equals to the minimum level. Otherwise, the variable will be our ATR stop. Similarly, our take profit can't be too small as well. The stop level applies for take profits as well. Okay, let's go back to this part. We know that our ATR stop is 2 times ATR 20. So this will be our shift 1 of ATR 20. I divided it by point times P because this is in decimal points. I want it to be in pips. So we'll convert it using point times P. Just to refresh your memory, a variable in decimal divided by this will convert it to pips. A variable in pips times this will convert it to decimal. So we get what we want in pips times 2, and that will be our stop loss distance, our ATR stop distance. Everything before that will be similar to our get indicator data script. At this point here, you're trying to get the value for shift 1 of ATR 20 at the point where the trade triggered. So you have to go through the entire phase of referencing the ATR indicator. If I were you and I were to do it, I will reference this side by side with my Bella 1.01. If I want this, I need this. If I want this, I need this, I need this, I need this. And if you work backwards to get this, you need this. You need to include everything else that is needed to reach this point. So that will be this 3 part. Getting your IATR, setting array as series, declaring everything you need to declare. I'm not going to go through every line of code that I have added in detail. I have added a comment, new for Bella 1.01. So you can open up this EA, look for those comments and look at how I've did it. It should be quite straightforward.